Now covering COVID here in Indiana, where we are in this pandemic.
Because a lot of COVID restrictions are starting to ease up. For example, beginning February 23rd, public schools in Indiana will no longer be required to conduct contact tracing or report positive cases to the Department of Health. Schools won't need to quarantine students who are exposed to a positive COVID case. The state also says individuals who test positive for COVID should isolate for 5 days and may return on day 6 if they have been fever-free for 24 hours and are improving. We spoke to an expert at Ascension St. Vincent and asked, is this the right call?
I don't want to say if it's right or wrong. You know, these decisions have a lot going into them. Again, cases are going down. Vaccine is available for most of the school-age children who go there, so they have an opportunity to get it. It's still best to always, be up to date on your vaccines, wear your mask, wash your hands, social distance. That's good, not just for COVID, but other infectious diseases as well.
Tonight, we're turning to WRTV's Adam Schumes. He shows us some parents are questioning if their children are really safe at school right now during the pandemic.
Throughout the pandemic, students have had to deal with change after change.
I think everybody is just ready for things to get back to normal. However, I do pause a little bit with this. As our children, we plan to keep our children masked at this point.
The latest change is set to take effect on Wednesday or sooner, as Indiana schools will no longer be required to conduct contact tracing or report positive cases to the Indiana Department of Health.
My initial reaction was relief that we've reached a point in the pandemic where we can get back to doing the important things that our teachers are doing every day to educate students without spending time contact tracing and quarantining.
Jennifer Rubenstein has 2 children who are in the Pike Township School District. She says she's still going to have her children wear masks to school despite the updated guidance.
Contact tracing itself is probably more important than, some of the other things. But I definitely am not a big fan of that, just because I'd like to know where, if my child does have it, where she might have gotten it or he might have gotten it, and if it was actually from the class setting.
Michaela Johnson's son attends Garden City Elementary in Wayne Township. As a single mom, she's worried about the safety of her son.
Are we really protecting our kids from this? If I get sick or if I'm coughing, I can't go to work. But we're still sending our kids to school. Not all of them are vaccinated. Not all of them are old enough to get vaccinated. My son is not. So it's just, how am I supposed to protect my child?
Schools will also no longer need to quarantine students who are exposed to someone who tested positive for COVID-19, regardless of vaccination status or if the school requires masks. For Avon Community School Corporation Superintendent Scott Wyndham, he says this was the right time to put new guidelines in place.
Our data has shown a huge drop in COVID cases over the last 2 to 3 weeks. So this seemed really logical when you look at specifically our Avon schools data.
For parents like Jennifer, she feels regardless of the new guidance.
But I think that we still need to protect the children. The children are really in a vulnerable state right now. And so if they decide to do this, and of which they have, I still think masks should be a little bit of a priority. But again, it has to be up to the children's parents.
Working for you, Adam Schumes, WRTV.
Wyndham says the new state guidance will go into effect for Avon schools next week. Masks have been optional for Avon students since Monday of this week. Starting Tuesday, masks will be optional in Carmel Clay Schools classrooms, and then beginning March 4th, masks will become optional on all Indiana University campuses. And as of today, masks are optional in most indoor locations on the campus of Purdue University in West Lafayette. The new policy at Purdue does not apply to instructional, research, and healthcare settings or locations where masks are contractually required.